close it and directly go to the code, and we have to work on this screen keystrokes. Let us change our layout to what was white with object. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, let us make a bit space here. I think this much is better. So this is our screen, EDT screen, and on its event we need a key press event. We will work on this. So first thing we will do is we will filter out. So what actually we want to write, if you see it has to sender the object, we don't care about sender now. Our only focus is this var key character, and var means that we can change its variable, and key is its name, and char is character, is a single keystroke. So what we want to say, we say if key is not in allowed character list, then discard this key. So this is the logic we want to implement. For this we need to have allowed character list, and then we can discard it. And what are allowed characters? Let us define a constant and name it allowed characters. And in Delphi, it's a convention, a good convention, to have constants as all caps, and this way instantly we can recognize that this is a constant, and because we are using all caps, so we cannot remove this space. We have to have some space, and because space cannot be used, so we will use underscore. So what are the allowed characters? First of all, it should be backspace. Let us define backspace. Okay, what is the code of the backspace? Well, it is CHR of 8. And let us see, it has allowed characters is equal to backspace okay, backspace plus, okay, other than backspace we need a enter key, so let us write it, enter key. And enter key code is 13. These are general ASCII codes, and we will be converting it to backspace plus we need enter key plus we need a dot. And what is dot? Well dot, we can have dot as it is because it is a printable character, but let us define it also here so that our readability will be good. So then allowed key is backspace plus enter plus dot. What else? Well, math operations. plus minus multiplication and division. Let us name it operation. And what are operations? Add, subtract, multiply and divide. So dot, and then we have operations. Control D to sort it out. Now last but not least, we need digits. And what are our digits? 0 is the most important. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And of course semicolon here. Okay, let us sort it out. First, with your permission, I will make this sorted as I normally do. Sorting format uses alternate. So this way it will be sorted out, and when we commit the code, we can easily see which unit we added or deleted. And so it's very handy thing here. And let us with Control Y delete this black space, black line, and here we go. So allowed character is backspace is allowed character, enter key is allowed, dot is allowed, and operations are allowed. We will only let these things pass to our procedure to process further, and all other keys will be discarded. So let us move on. Let us delete these lines also. So we have to say if key is not in allowed character list, then discard this key. So let us define a procedure or a function. It will be, let us spell it right F and press Control J. Okay. So what should be the function? Is character not allowed, and its result will be Boolean. And what will be its input? Its input will be key. Key, I will delete it. Okay, so what will be its result? Well, we can use the pause function to see if this character is present in that string. So our result will be pause of key in allowed characters equal to 0. So if this key is not found in this our allowed characters list, its position will be 0. So that means this is not allowed. Then what we have to do, we have to discard this character. Let us define a procedure for discarding. And here it should be a var. And is character not allowed? We can have this constant to speed up things a little bit better. Okay, and for discarding we will say key is equal to null character, and null character is 0. But they say, as clean coding principle says, that having this magic number is not a good thing. So let us define null character here. Null character is chr. We can assign a number sign 0 or chr 0, but having chr 0 will make our code similar to that was previously there. So that's it, null character. So now it will be very easy with these helping procedure. We could have written this in this single line, all these things, but it will really disturb its readability. Readability should not be an afterthought. Readability should be our first task, and it's my suggestion to always finish your day with refactoring and cleaning up code, and start your day with refactoring and cleaning up code, and so that over time our code base quality and readability improves. So we will say if is character not allowed key, then let us see how it goes. First of all, you see how this code is. If is character not allowed key, then discard key, and it is very similar to the English sentence we wrote previously, and that's the beauty of clean coding and Delphi, and especially Pascal. Now all those characters that are not allowed will not enter. Well, it seems we forgot to add this. The most important thing is digits here, and that's why we were unable to add digits. So null character is a separate entity, and this is our allowed characters. Backspace, enter key, dot, operations, and digits. And now you can see we can add all these characters. Let us bring our own screen keyboard and try to type any other things, and all these things are discarded because it will only accept this 0 to 9. My minus will be entertained, plus will be entertained, and similarly. So you got the point. Our first task is completed here.